Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your 3D printer to the MyStemKit's website. If you have a Robo 3D printer or the Dremel 3040 or 3045, please refer to our specific videos regarding those printers. For all other supported printers, however, you're in the right place. First thing you need to do is go to MyStemKits.com and log into your account. Then go to your Printer Management tab on the left-hand side. On this screen you can see any of your previously connected printers, or in the top right-hand corner you can register a new printer. For Direct Connect printers, which are the ones that use a USB cable to directly plug the printer into the computer, you're going to need some software. Choose the installer relevant to your type of computer and click Download. Please note you can also use a Raspberry Pi as your designated computer connected to your printer to connect with the MyStemKit's website. In this video, however, we show you how to connect using a regular computer that the printer is plugged into. When it has finished downloading, simply click on the icon in the bottom left-hand corner here, or open your file from the Downloads folder on your computer. When you're asked if you would like to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Then it will open the 3D Printer OS Client Setup Wizard. Click Next, and then you'll get a number of options where you can click Agree, Install, and Next, and so forth, as this is installing all of the various drivers required to connect the different printers with our website. When it's done, you'll be notified that 3D Printer OS has been installed on your computer. Make sure that Run 3D Printer OS Client is clicked and then click Finish. Now it's going to start trying to detect Cloud Client and printers. Within a minute or two, your printer should show up here. Now if you're not noticing it, you can click on this link here that goes to localhost:008, and this will sometimes give you some more information. Now in my case, the device driver for my printer is already being used by that software that came with that printer. So I'm going to click Kill here. That way it can make sure that I can still see my printer using the 3D Printer OS software. Go back to our website and close out of this window. You'll get a notification saying printers detected. You can then close out of that window and find your local 3D printer. You can name it if you would like to help identify it. And then it's important with this kind of local 3D printer to select the printer type. Choose the one specific to your printer, and then you're ready to go. It will now be able to print to any of your connected printers, either wirelessly or locally. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.